Hey guys, so we're going to hop right into this do-it-yourself mask chain tutorial, and we're going to be using inexpensive materials from Walmart and the Dollar Tree. If you follow me already, you know I'm a huge fan of the Dollar Tree and their eyeglass chains. I've paired one with my more expensive sunglasses here, and I've been rocking this look all summer long. So now I'm going to use some versions for my masks, and what you need are jump rings, lobster claws, chain, and long nose pliers. So I've assembled everything here, and if you use a necklace or a chain that you already have, one side is probably already going to have a lobster claw, which makes this even easier because that means you only need to apply a lobster claw to one side rather than both. So what I'm going to do is grab my jump ring and my long nose plier so that I can pry it open, and not too much, just slightly, so we have just enough space to slide on our chain and our lobster claw. See, that took no second to kind of open it, just slightly. And then I'm going to slide on the chain, and then I'm going to put on my lobster claw in just a second. And okay, so my nails were long enough this time to where I just kind of sealed it and closed it up myself. But if you can't close it, just use the needle nose pliers. And look, done in like 2 seconds flat. Okay, maybe 3, 4, 5, whichever. You see how fast it was. So all I need to do now is get rid of all of this junk, clear my space, and grab my mask. And we're gonna apply the chain to my mask. And this is so easy. You guys have no idea how quick this is, how convenient. I wish I had have just thought of it sooner, but hey, better late than never. It's really cute. And then if you're curious, here are some more of the Dollar Tree eyeglass chains versions that are available, and then here is my finished look. You guys have no idea how convenient this is. If you want to eat, if you want to drink, and you don't want to have to take your mask all the way off, this is the perfect solution for it because you can just wear it as you see here. And I hope you appreciate this, guys, and give me a thumbs up, and until next time.